UPinky Vatsilingam bese kuphele izinyanga ethula ubufakazi obuthinta ukuthi izingcingo zabasolwa zazidonsa bekuphi ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa. Abanye babasolwa bayakuphika nokuthi babe segoli ngalolu suku. Kodwa-ke ngokobufakazi buka-Vatsilingam, iningi labo kuvela ukuthi lalisendaweni eqhele ngamakhilomitha 5 kuya kwayisithupha ukusuka endaweni yesigameko. Umnisi-ke ukholwa ukuthi uVatsilingam uthengiwe ukuze ahlanganise ubufakazi obuzokhipha uKelly Khumalo ekubeni ngumsolwa kuleli cala.
This is also a villain endeavor by the state to fabricate or trump up a case against Kelly Khumalo herself that on this date she had a conversation with accused number 5. As that number that ends with 202, it's a number that belongs to accused number 5. That's an open secret. You probably don't have a comment on that as well.
No comment.
U-Advocate Mnisi uthi uzomangalela labo abahlanganise lobu bufakazi.
On the basis of this information, we need to approach our instructing attorneys with a view to go and lay a formal case of, a formal complaint against the compilers of this information on behalf of our accused. That complaint will be premised on fraud, uttering and defeating the ends of justice, or an attempt to defeat the ends of justice. Because this information is misleading the court.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa.